Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to unlink a console account from Ubisoft Connect. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Ubisoft application. After that, if you of course have problems with it, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Ubisoft videos where you can check out how you can do this. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So on the left side of the screen, we have your profile, the home, library, store, and Ubisoft Plus. And in the top right corner, we have the subscribe to Ubisoft Plus and the download manager in the bottom left corner. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and unlink a console account from Ubisoft Connect. So first of all, launch Ubisoft Connect app on your console and make sure that you're in online mode. You can check out that by clicking here and then clicking profile and checking your online status. Then click on the three lines again here on your profile, and click on account management. So that is the second option. And then find the section for linked accounts. Then after that, select the console account you want to unlink and click unlink. Follow the prompts to confirm the unlinking process. Your console account should now be unlinked from Ubisoft Connect. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.